with the heat and the water and the salts just helps to make everything relax all at one time. Hey everybody, this is Rebecca Tatila with the Roma Hut Institute, and welcome back to my channel. There are so many benefits to using essential oils in the bath, and of course anxiety is a big one. We're going to be using some oils that are very beneficial. If you didn't see the video on essentials for anxiety, go ahead and check out that link above. Today I'm going to be using 4 essential oils from that group for my bath blend. Now, the ones that I have chosen is, of course, lavender essential oil. We're going to be using frankincense, cedarwood essential oil, and geranium in this bath blend. We need to get about a half a cup of bath salts. Now, I'm using just very fine bitsy salts. I'll add a link below for you guys if you are looking for some good bath salts. These are Dead Sea. I'm going to be adding about a tablespoon of coconut oil. Now, you could use jojoba or something else in place for this, is just to help disperse the oils throughout the bath so they're not just floating on the surface of the water. And then you need a container to put your salts in. So I have just this particular tub. Again, I'll just put another link below for you guys so you can find these on Amazon. All right, so let's get started. So we're going to be using 6 drops of lavender essential oil. And let's go ahead and add 4 drops frankincense. Wow, it smells so good. And now the cedarwood. Now some people find this a little bit too woodsy, or maybe even smells like a hamster, but we're just going to put 3 drops in to help with that sleep. Help me to get rid of that stress. I can get it in. Yeah, there we go. And I mentioned we're going to use geranium, 3 drops. All right, so let's see. How many drops was that? We did 10, 16, 7. Okay, we're going to about 12 to 16 drops in a full bath. That's a good, safe amount. You don't have to worry too much about that, as the water will definitely dilute. All right. Now you want to check your blend. Make sure you like it. It's already working on me, I'm telling you that. Now, if you haven't already, I recommend you get some of these glass bowls for your blending, and they have them in all the sizes. So I'm going to set this essential oils away here and go ahead and add in my bath salts. I've already pre-measured, so little work already done. Now, depending on how you like your bath, I like a lot of bath salts. You could use about a half a cup to a cup of bath salts. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and, you know what I want to do before I add the oils in? I'm just going to go ahead and add in my tablespoon of coconut oil. And you could use just a little less, just about a tablespoon. I'm going to go ahead and put it in with the essentials. Set that way here. Let's just go ahead and stir that up. And that way we're making sure these are safe for the bath. Let's just go ahead and pour them in and stir them up into your salts. Now you can see my salts are sort of getting moist, sort of like wet sand at the beach. That's a nice thought, isn't it? Okay, once you get them all nice and blended, you want to transfer them to your container. Now this is a PET container, so it is safe to use. We want to just go ahead and transfer these over. And it looks like I might even have a little bit more than I need. Might have to take more than one back here. This could even just be smelling salts, just to have with you. All right, put your top on. You want to make sure you put a label. You might want to give these as a gift to a friend, but that's it. These are ready to use. When you're using them in the bath, all you're going to do is take some, pour them into the running water while the bath is filling. Use these, swish them around, and soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. And that's all you have to do. I hope that recipe helps you. And if you enjoy that, please check out our blog where we have other recipes listed for anxiety. Don't forget to like us and to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We look forward to seeing you again on the next video. Bye-bye.